In this tutorial I will show you how to make this collage photo in Photoshop. Create a new document with this settings. Go to View menu. Make sure Snap is turned on. Choose Guides and New Guides Layout. Follow this setting. When you finish, press OK. Choose Rectangle tool and follow the process. Choose Move tool. Let's name this layer Center Box 2. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Hold down Shift key and move box. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Hold down Shift key and move box. Follow this process. Select layers and press Ctrl+G to group layers. Select Group. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Hold down Shift key and move group to left. Follow this process. Press Ctrl T, then adjust image size and position. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Hold down Shift key and move group to right. Right-click and select Flip Vertical. Press Ctrl:" to hide guides. Now let's add images. Press Enter. Specify the order of the images. Hold Alt and click to create clipping mask for each image. Press Ctrl+T and adjust size and position each image. Now, in the same way, let's add images to left and right columns. I will speed up the video so that we don't waste time. Now select background layer. Create a solid color adjustment layer and follow the process. When you finish, press OK. Select groups. Press Ctrl G to make group. Right-click and select blending options. Follow this process. When you finish, press OK. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.